So here we have using MUY versus MUCHO. It says how to use MUY and the word MUCHO in Spanish. So here we have the word muy. Muy is the word very in English. So muy is very. Muy is an adverb. Adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, and other adverbs. It never changes. Muy is always muy. It doesn't have a feminine or masculine or plural form. Muy is an adjective. For example, esta casa es muy vieja. This house is very old. Muy vieja, very old. Below it, it says mi abuela es muy dulce. My grandma is very sweet. Muy dulce, very sweet. Or muy can also be an adverb. For example, mi profesor habla muy rápido. My teacher speaks very fast. Muy rápido, very fast. Below it, it says su novia cocina muy bien. His girlfriend cooks very well. Muy bien, very well. Next, we have the word mucho. Mucho is much, many, or a lot. Mucho is an adjective. Adjectives modify nouns. It changes. Being an adjective, mucho has a feminine, masculine, singular, and plural form. For example, mucho is singular, masculine. Mucha is singular, feminine. Muchos refers to plural, masculine. Muchas is plural, feminine. So, for example, on the adjective section, it says an adjective, mucho, is placed before a noun and agrees with the noun in gender and number. For example, hay mucha comida en el plato. Feminine singular noun. For example, there is a lot of food on the plate. Hay mucha comida en el plato. Below it, it says, tengo muchos libros en el estante. It says, I have a lot of books on the shelf. So plural. Masculine plural noun. It says, but mucho, the word mucho, is also an adverb. So, for example, mucho as an adverb is placed after the verb. So, and it doesn't change. So, mucho is always mucho as an adverb. For example, trabajé mucho el último verano. I worked a lot last summer. You can also say, me gusta mucho ese helado. I like that ice cream a lot. Mucho.